SVR!
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma, Red River County in northeastern Texas until 8 a.m. Central Standard Time.
Sweet.
At 7:21 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northeast of Manchester to near Bagwell to near DePort to near Bogota to 7 miles northwest of Hagensport, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Idabel, Broken Bow, Bogota, Bagwell, Manchester, Detroit, Nona, Hayworth, Garvin, Eagletown, Farmers Hill, Negley, Harris, Cutland, Goodwater, Silver City, English, Holly Creek, and Johntown. For your protection, Garvin, Eagletown, Farmers Hill, Negley, Harris, Cutland, Goodwater, Silver City, English, Holly Creek, and Johntown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties: McCurtain, Oklahoma, and Red River, Texas.